Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Carlos, and today we're going to play with some paints. So we are going to be using the primary colors, go figure, by Artist Loft, the ready mix paints. I'm going to be using either the white or the black Amsterdam cell activator, whatever you want to call that, to pour on top. I'm going to spin it out on my nifty homemade spinner thingy, whatever you want to call it. I made it out of tile, so that's going to be interesting. And yeah, let's see what kind of magic we can create. So sit back, relax, and hopefully you'll enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have my black and my white Amsterdam paint. Still not sure which one I might be using, but here I have the primary colors of the ready mix paint. As you can see, can't really tell you what their technical names are, but it's blue, red, and yellow, so we're gonna go with that. And I'm gonna be pouring on a white 4x4 inch tile. I am not gonna be putting a base layer. Don't ask me why. It is what it is, and let's just see what happens. So hopefully when I spin this, the microphone is sitting right next to it and it doesn't pick up too much of that rattling sound, and if it does, I will hopefully try to turn it down during the edit, but it is what it is. So here we go. I am going to be starting with the blue. Just going to pour down my little puddle right here. Just add a little bit of blue right there. After that, I'm going to add the red. Just pour that right onto there. I love how that red just jumps off of that blue. I've always liked that. But then here we have the yellow. Pour some of that right there. So now, I guess maybe we could flip a coin. Should we go black? Should we go white? Should we do both? Neither? Okay, well, we got to do one or the other. So I'm guessing we're gonna go with black, just to see how that turns out. Just shake it up a little bit. I already got paint on my hands, and then we're gonna pour on our little puddle of paint, just like so. And now we're just gonna blow it out. After that, we'll be spinning it, and hopefully something comes out looking extra spectacular. And I got more paint on my hand. What? All right, here we go. Give that a second. I might blow some of this out that way. And now we're gonna spin it. So again, apologies if this sound becomes a little bit too much. I will try to catch it during the edit. FYI, this is a 1 foot squared 12 inch by 12 inch piece of tile, and then I have these Lazy Susan contraption that you get at a hardware store, and then for the base I have an 8 by 8 inch piece of tile. That one actually is about twice as thick as this, so it gives it a nice firm base. And now we're just going to spin it the other way. Here we go. So obviously we did not have enough paint for it to cover everything, so what we're going to do is we're going to cheat, and we are going to fill in the rest of this area with some black ready mix paint, just to kind of give it, whatchamacallit, what is that word? The negative space, the negative space effect. So what we're just going to do is I'm going to gently try to outline, maybe not that gentle, the pour, and then just kind of come back with it. I'm going to spin it out some more just to kind of get it to thin out a little bit, trying not to mess it up. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, how have you been? It's been a while, but my plan for tonight is I'm going to try to make a couple of these, so that way I have a couple videos lined up for y'all. Hopefully they come out cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy them. And yeah, just kind of fill in these little areas. Get this little corner. I know I'm not talking, I'm sorry. Apologies, but I gotta focus, I gotta concentrate. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should have just continued spinning it, thin it out some more. I think this will be okay. I'll add a little bit more here, just to ensure that we get a nice, decent little coverage. Tiny little glob right there, just to make sure it comes to the edge. Another tiny little glob right here. Maybe a little bit more in this little corner. Right there. And then I'm going to spin it out to hopefully thin out some of that black. Maybe kind of drag it out to the edges with my finger. Yes, I know I'm supposed to be wearing gloves, but who wants to wear gloves in a time like this, right? Okay, so I'm going to spin it out one more time. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up because some of this stuff looks kind of groovy. So let me grab the camera and we'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the close-up. I'm trying to get in the path of the light that's overhead, so that way we don't have any kind of funky little glares. If I have to zoom in, I will. And I did. Maybe that's a little too close, but it is what it is. So we're just going to gently go around the outside of it. It's a 4x4 tile, so it's not that big. Then we're going to go back to its regular size, and I'm going to try to just get closer. Let's see, we spin it, we can get some more details. I'm digging the way these colors mix. I've always said it, I'll say it again, I love the way these colors blend together. So we can get a nice little tight shot of that. No? Maybe? I don't know, but anyways. So yeah, hopefully this will be the first of at least a few that I make tonight. That way I can post them in a more regular, consistent basis. So ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for the notifications and whatnot. I haven't done this in a very long time. Not that I was ever any good at it, but yeah, I really like the way that blends. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh my god. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys probably in like 5 minutes. Bye.